Students, in our chapter money, so we are going to do workbook problems. So see here in workbook problems, in performance time A, the questions based on conversion. The first question, express the following amount of money in short form. So this amount of money, so we should write in short form. So 108 rupees 9 paisa. Then how to write? First rupees symbol. First you take rupees symbol, 108 point means after rupees take decimal, and 9 paisa. How to write 9 paisa? So you should take 09. 09 means 9 paisa. 09 means 9 paisa. This is short form. Next, 25 rupees 5 paisa. So means first rupees. 25 rupees, after rupees decimal, then 5 paisa means 05. 25 rupees 5 paisa. Then after that 19 rupees 15 paisa. Here rupees first, rupees 19, rupees 15 paisa, after the decimal pice. Then 50 rupees 85 paisa means rupees 50, and after that 85 paisa. Then after that 25 paisa rupees. Here only pice is there is no rupees, means in the rupees place take 0, then after that decimal. After the decimal pice will come. How many pice? 25 means rupees 0.25 means 25 paisa. Okay, so this is in short form. Okay, students. Now the second question, write the following amounts of money using decimal points. Using decimal point, how to write? So the same method what we did here, the same method we follow here also. So 75 paisa. First you take rupees symbol, rupees 0, and only pice is there 0.75, 0.75. Now 9 rupees 80 paisa means first rupees symbol, 9 rupees, and after that decimal 80 paisa. Okay, then after that 1 rupee 5 paisa, rupee 1, then after that decimal point will come. 5 paisa means 05. Then after that 50 rupees 4 paisa, rupees, after that 50 rupees. How many rupees? 50 rupees and 4 paisa. 4 means 04. Then 81 paisa. Here no rupees means first rupees symbol, 0 rupees and 81 paisa. Then after that rupees 3 rupees 3 rupees 50 paisa. 3 rupees 50 paisa. So this is our paisa and rupees using decimal. So this is the representation. Okay. Now in the third question, convert the following amounts into pice. The total amount rupees and pice is given, so that we convert into pice. So already we discussed how to convert. So here rupees 78.12 means 78 rupees 12 paisa. Just we remove this point and this rupees and write. So whatever will come, that is 7,812. This is pice. Okay, just we remove this decimal and this rupees, then 7,812 will come. So that many paisa. So here after that 12 rupees 24 paisa, then 1224 paisa. Okay, so just you remove this decimal and this rupees, then you will get 1224 paisa. Okay, so here also remove rupees and point. 095 means only 95. 0 no need to write 0. 95 paisa. Here also 0 rupees 35 paisa. So means just, so you remove this point and this rupees, 035 you will get, that is 35 paisa. Here remove rupees and paisa. Here given 9 rupees 85 paisa, then how to convert? So just you take 985 paisa, 985 paisa. Okay, so when rupees and paisa is given, then how to convert in paisa? So just you remove the decimal and rupees and write the remaining the numbers. So write paisa at last. So that is the conversion of rupees paisa into paisa. Okay. Now the students in performance time A. So next one, convert the following amounts into rupees. Amounts into rupees. Here some amounts are given in paisa. That amount we should convert into rupees. Then how to convert? See here, 78 paisa. 78 paisa how to convert? So here, so whenever we are going to convert paisa into rupees, after 2 digits from right to left, we keep a decimal. After 2 digits, the first digit is ones, that is 8, and after that 7. After ones and tens, we keep a decimal. And after that nothing is there means 0 we should keep, and rupees symbol. It means 0.78 rupees. Okay, rupees 0.78. Now here also how to convert this 38 paisa into rupees? So then again the same, so ones place and tens place. After tens place we keep a decimal. Then after that nothing, no number is there here means 0 we should take, and rupees. Rupees 0.38. Rupees 0.38. Now here 490 paisa. Then how to convert? So here also same from right to left. First ones digit and tens digit. After tens digit we keep a decimal. After tens digit 100 digit is 4. So then write that 4. So after that rupees. Rupees 4 and 90 paisa. Okay. Then after that here 8 paisa. 8 paisa how to write? So after 2 digits we keep a decimal. First only ones place is given here. In ones place there is no tens place means there you keep 0. Ones place, tens place. If only ones place is given, in the tens place we keep 0 like that. So then after that decimal. After that again nothing is there means 0. Rupees. Rupees 0.08. Now 150 paisa means after ones and tens place. Ones place is 0, tens place is 5. Keep a decimal and one more digit is there, that is 100th digit, that is 1. Rupees 1.50. Then 705 paisa means first ones place and tens place. After that decimal point, then 7. Then rupees symbol. 7 rupees 5 paisa. Okay, this is the conversion of paisa into rupees. Next, in the performance time A. So in performance time A, so that questions based on addition of money. Addition of money. So add the following amounts by converting into paisa. First we should convert and after that we should add. Okay. So then the question first is 27 rupees 13 paisa. 13. Then how to convert? So that is, so just you remove this rupees. 2713 you will get. 2713. pice. Okay, then that will convert into pice. Next, 95 rupees, 95 rupees 55 pice. Then how to convert? Just you remove this rupees, then you will get 9555 pice. 9555 pice. Then addition. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. In ones place 8. In tens place 5 plus 1, 6. In hundreds place 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 2 in hundreds place and 1 we should take carry over on thousands place. Then thousands places 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 12,268 pice. So 12,265 pice, which is equal to how much? After 2 digits, ones place and tens place. Ones place is 8, tens place is 6. Then after that decimal point. Then remaining places we should take 2, 2, 1. It is in rupees. Rupees 122.68 or otherwise 12,268 pice. Okay. So this is the answer. Now the second question, 76 rupees 50 pice, 80 rupees 25 pice. First we convert into pice, then after that we should add. Okay. 76 rupees 50 pice. Then how to? Just remove this 70 rupees. Then you will get 7,650 pice. 7,650 pice. 7,650 pice. Now after that 80 rupees 25 pice. That is, so just you remove this rupees, then say 8,025. 8,025 pice. Now add ones place, that is 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 0, any number with 0 if you add, then the number itself only the answer. 7 plus 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 15. 15,675 pice. If we convert this into rupees, then you will get after 2 digits, that is from ones and tens. Then you will get decimal, then remaining places. ₹156 75 pice or otherwise 15,675 pice. This is the answer. Okay. In this bit, one more question is there, similar question. So that C question is your home assignment. Now, so see here, see in the second, add the following amounts. Here rupees 575 paisa, rupees 34 and 90 paisa. Add these two. First add extreme right digit in pice. 5 plus 0, 5 we know. If we add any number with 0, the number itself is the answer. Okay. Now 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It is 16. 16 means 6 in hundredths place of a pice and 1 we should take carry over on next digit, that is rupees. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 0 plus 3, 3, and this is 5. Rupees 535 rupees 65 paisa. Okay. Now, the second question, 154 rupees 25 paisa, rupees 202 rupees 10 paisa. Add these two. Extreme right digit, that is 5 in pies. 5 plus 0, 5. If any number is added with 0, so you will get the number itself. 2 plus 1, 3. Then after that, decimal point. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 356 rupees 35 paisa. 35 paisa. Okay. Now, here 385 rupees 35 paisa, 582 rupees 90 paisa. Add these two. Extreme right digit, that is 5 plus 0, 5. Then 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 in pies and 1 we should take carry over on next digit in rupees. Okay. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Now, add this 8 and 8. 8 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 means 6 in tens place of a rupees and 1 we should take carry over on hundreds place of a rupees. Then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. The answer is 968 rupees 25 paisa. Okay. Now, here extreme right digit, that is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 means 0 in ones place and 1 we should take carry over on tens place of a pies. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in tens place of pies. Then decimal point. 0 plus 6 is 6. 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means 4 in tens place of a rupees and 1 we should take carry over on rupees. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 446 rupees 80 paisa. 446 rupees 80 paisa. Okay. Now, arrange the following in columns and add. Here some amounts are given. First we should arrange the amounts in column and after that add. See here, first what is given? Rupees 120 rupees 0.60 paisa. Then second amount 125 rupees 80 paisa. 125 rupees, then after that decimal and 80 paisa. Then after that 85 rupees 75 paisa. 85 rupees means we starts from tens place. 85 rupees. Don't start from hundreds place. Starts from tens place. 85. Only two digits are there in rupees, so starts from tens digit. Tens and ones. And 75 paisa. Now add. Addition. 0 plus extreme right digit, that is in pies 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. Okay. Now, next digits 6 plus 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. So, we should take 1 here in tens place of a pies and 2 we should take carry over on next digit in rupees, that is ones digit in rupees. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 12 means 2 in tens ones place and 1 we should take carry over on next digit. Then 8, 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 means 3 in tens place and 1 we should take carry over on hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 332 rupees 15 paisa. Okay. So, this is the sum. Next question. 236 rupees 83 paisa, first amount. What is the amount? 236 rupees 83 paisa. The next one is 19 rupees 38 paisa. 19 rupees means starts from tens place and ones place. 19 rupees 38 paisa. Then the next one is 38 rupees, starts from tens place. 38 rupees 65 paisa. Now add. Okay. So 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 6 in ones place of a piece, and 1 we should take carry over on tens place of a piece. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 means 8 in tens place of a rupees, and 1 we should take carry over on next digit in pice, that is ones. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 means 4 in ones place of a rupees, and 2 we should take carry over on tens place of a rupees. Then 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And here only 2 is there, that 2 we copy. So 294 rupees 86 paisa. 294 rupees 86 paisa. Okay. The next question. 135 rupees 86 paisa. The first amount is 135 rupees 86 paisa. Next 72 rupees, you starts from tens place, and 85 paisa, and the next amount is 50 rupees 35 paisa. Now add. Ones place, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 5, 16. 16 means 6 in ones place of a piece, and should take carry over on tens place. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 means 0 in tens place, and 2 we should take carry over on ones place of a rupees. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 means 5 in tens place and carry over on here. In this column only 1 and 1 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. That you write here. 259 rupees 6 paisa. Okay. Okay, students. Now, see here. So, the next in performance time, see the questions based on the concept subtraction of money. Subtraction of money. The first question, 279 rupees 15 paisa. So, this amount subtract from 450 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. So, how to subtract? Here it is given. Subtract the following amounts by converting into pice. First we convert into pice, then after that subtract. From amount we should take first. What is the from amount? 450 rupees. 450 rupees 50 pice. 50. Then how to convert? So just you remove means you eliminate this rupees and write your numerals. 45050, that is 45,000. 45,050. 45,050 pice. Okay. Then after that, the second amount, 279 rupees 15 pice. 15. Then that is 279 rupees 15 pice means how to convert? Just you remove this rupees and write your numerals. 27,915. 27,915 915 pice. So this is the simple method to understand. Okay. Then how to convert in pice. See here how to convert. Then after that subtract. 0 minus 5 we cannot make minus, so borrow from here. So you will get 4 here, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 1 means 2 to 4 we have to count. 2, 3, 4. It is 3. 0 minus 9, minute is smaller, so again borrow from the next. Here you will get 4, here you will get 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Two consecutive numbers difference is 1. Then 4 minus 7, again minute is smaller. So borrow from here, you will get 3 here, you will get 14. 14 minus 7 means 8 to 14 we have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 7. It is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is about pice. So 17,135 pice. Or otherwise how to write in rupees? After 2 digits, that is ones and tens. Then take a decimal. Then remaining values, remaining numerals 171. Then rupees symbol. Rupees 171 rupees 35 paisa, or otherwise 17,135 paisa. Okay. Now the next question, 86 rupees 86 paisa from 200 rupees. From 200 rupees we should subtract 86 rupees 86 paisa. From number we should take first, that is 200 rupees. 200. Then how to take 200 rupees? Then 200 rupees is equal to 20,000 paisa. Okay. So 200 rupees is equal to 20,000 paisa. So just you add 2 zeros. Why? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. In 100 we have 2 zeros. So here we should add 2 zeros, then you will get in pice. Then after that 86 rupees, 86 rupees 86 pice. Then how to convert 86 rupees and 86 paisa? That is 8,686. 8,000, it starts from thousands place. 8,686 paisa. Now subtract. Here all are zeros now, so we cannot make minus, so borrow from here. If you take borrow from here, you will decrease by 1, means 2 decrease by 1. If 2 decrease by 1 means 1 you will get. Here you will get 10. Again borrow from here, you will get 9 here and 10. The same again you will get 9 here and you will get 10 here. Again you will get 9 here and you will get 10 here. 10 minus 6 means 7 to 10 we have to count. 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 4. 9 minus 8 consecutive numbers difference is 1. So 9 minus 6 means 7 to 9 we have to count. 7, 8, 9. It is 3. 9 minus 8 consecutive numbers difference is 1. And here 1 is left, that 1. So this is about pice. So 11,314. So it means if you convert into rupees, 1,113.14. This is in rupees. It is in pice. Okay. So the next subtract the following. 600 rupees 75 paisa, 89 rupees 90 paisa. Then how to convert? How to subtract? First 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 9 we cannot make minus. So borrow from here. Here all are zeros. You will get 5 and here 10. Again borrow means 9, here 10. Again here 9, here 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then point. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 5 is left. 510 rupees 85 paisa. The next one, how to subtract. 5 minus 0, that is 5. 2 minus 1, 1 point. Then 0, borrow from here, you will get 310. 10 minus 8, 2. 3 minus 2, 1 and 5. 512 rupees 15 paisa. And here minus 5 minus 5, 0. Then borrow from here, you will get 6 and here 10. From again here 9, here 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. 9 minus 5 also 4. 6 minus 5, 1 and 3. 314 rupees 40 paisa. Okay, now subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 9, we cannot make minus, so borrow from here. You will get 7 and 13. 13 minus 7 is 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. 644 rupees 45 paisa. Okay.